Hello, today we're going to look at animals in the forest. In the forest. Here I have a picture of a forest. Isn't it lovely? The trees, the leaves, the branches. This is a forest in the autumn because the leaves have fallen down. A forest. Let's have a look at some animals that live in the forest. Ready? First of all, I have a spiky, prickly hedgehog. Hedgehog. The hedgehog is in a ball. I'll put the hedgehog in the forest. My next animal is a squirrel. Squirrel. A brown squirrel. I'll put my squirrel here under the hedgehog. Another animal that lives in the forest is a rabbit. A rabbit. This is a white rabbit. A white rabbit. I'll put him just there. Another animal that lives in a forest. A bear. A bear. A big brown bear in the forest. I'll put him up at the top. A reptile. A reptile that lives in the forest. It's a snake. A snake. Put the snake next to the rabbit. My last animal, which is an insect. An insect is my spider. The spider. I'll put him here. Here I have my animals that live in the forest. In the forest. One more time. Hedgehog, squirrel, rabbit, bear, spider, snake. My forest animals. Well done, everyone. Remember, watch, listen, and repeat. Bye.